Hello Form 4 Chemistry Chapter 4 Video 22 第22个 video 了 Okay Actually in my computer I having almost 150 video 大概有150个 video 了 In the period of 1 to 2 weeks 一两个星期之内从0个 video 变成150个 video But I don't publish all the video in the YouTube 了我没有在 YouTube 全部放出来放爽爽2、3个给你们看7、8个给你们看看爽不了给别人看不是给你们你们我给到完 Okay So our new title we just finished group number 17 Group 1 finish Group 18 finish Group 17 hydrogen 搞掂 So now we go to another title called Element in a period or element across the periodic table period number 3什么意思呢 Don't know 不明白 Okay So element in the period number 3在第3个 period 它里面的元素到底怎样的呢 Okay Don't know never mind So where are you 你在哪里呢 Somewhere around here Okay So for the first time we talk about our periodic table We finish the group number 18 They are noble gas And after this we go to the group number 1我们就去看那个 group 1 alkaline matter 对不对And after alkaline matter, actually group 2 we don't discuss, but group 2 actually basically same as alkaline matter. 它们几乎都差不多一样 but group 2 will be not so reactive 啦，它的活跃度不够罢了啦，不比 group 1强 Okay? And after group 1 we go to group 17. So 这些红色被 highlight actually they are over, 它的 title 已经过去了 So now our title will be here today. 今天我们的 title, the green color.The element across the period number 3, period 1, period 2, period number 3. So period number 3那边的元素到底有什么东西呢？要特别研究一下。So element across the period number 3. So now on your notes page number 19, 第19面 Okay, you label first, 你先 label the number. Okay, 1、2、3到9 Okay, 9是2个人 share 的 9是2个人 share 的Or when you label number 1 start from here 从 valence electron 开始 label 慢慢来9 2个人 share 在一起的 OK 不要 label 错 Or next time when you make a study for this period number 3 you have to follow number 啦因为有2面要连起来的 You copy the blue color number first 先抄那个蓝色的 number 好了乖哦So now turn to page number 20, 转去第20面 and the explanation for page number 19, 第19面的解释they will be on the page 20, 他们都放在第20面 So now label on the page number 20, 第20面那它的解释在这边1到9set 的搞定了对不对？非常厉害，佩服佩服。Okay, so now I go one by one， 我们一个一个看 ，OK， 仔细的看，不要紧张哈，字多多也不要怕，没有什么的 ，OK。So from the left to right, when you move across the period number 3 from the left to right, 当你从 period number 3左手慢慢的走去右手anything happens, 什么事情发生呢？我们慢慢来 Okay, so sodium 2.8.1 3 layer of occupied electron shell. So period number 3 is reasonable lah. So period number 3 3 layer of occupied electron shell 3 3 3 3 3 3 So they are all period number 3 它们都是第3个 period 的元素来的 Okay because of sodium having 1 valence electron So that's why group 1 明白 Magnesium 2 valence electron So group 2 Aluminium 3 valence electron 3 or more than 3 They will be at 10对不对它要加10下去 So group number 13 14 Group number 15, 16, 17, and 18 Okay, so this is a valence electron, valence electron, valence electron, valence electron 这个当然你一定要明白啦对不对 Otherwise, how can you move until here 要不然你怎么能来到今天呢 Okay, and now I want to talk about number 2 For sodium and magnesium until aluminium Sodium, magnesium, aluminium They are metal 它们是金属 And silicon actually is metalloid. Or what is mean by metalloid? Metalloid means semi-metal 啦，也就是半金属的意思。Semi-metal 半金属。So it is not metal. It's also not the non-metal. 它不是金属，也不是非金属，它是一般一般 metalloid, semi-metal. Phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, and argon, they are non-metal. So from the left to right, 当你从 period number 3左手慢慢的走去右手 the element change from metal becomes semi-metal and become non-metal 过后变成了非金属 So this is a changes number 1 第一种变化就是这样子 It's not difficult 啦，不是很难 So the best 最好啊 Okay, I want to tell you something. You turn back behind your cover 你转回你的封面的后面啊 And now you label on your notes So when you move across the pillar number 3 from left to right, 从左手慢慢的走去右手 metal 金属 slowly becomes metalloid 变成半金属 and finally become the non-metal 啦，过后变成了非金属 So if you look at this table, 就你看着这个表格啊 Okay, can you see the table actually having the line that is darker? 这边有没有一些比较深颜色的线 Or look like a ladder 它看起来像楼梯对不对 Okay, so what I want to tell you For the element above the ladder 楼梯上面的元素啊那 boron, silicon, arsenic All these they are semi-metal 这些青色的啊它们都叫半金属它不是金属也不是半金属它不是导电体也不是不导电的物体它叫半导体了 Okay, so this is metal slowly become semi-metal or become non-metal. Okay, I'll turn back to page number 19. 又转回第19面 Okay. So since aluminium, magnesium, aluminium, they are metal, so they are good electric conductor lah. Okay, or heat conductor. And now semi-metal will be normal 啦，中等咯。Non-metal will be poor electric conductor, 它就不导电了咯。Okay, normal. Until now, nothing to worry, 对不对？没有东西可以害怕的。And now, I start something important. 我要开始一个重要的东西了。I give start first. 5 and 6, 5和6，我要开始重要的东西了。听好好，来了哈。Okay. So for all the elements in the group number All the elements in the period number 3, they can react with the oxygen to become oxides. So 全部的元素 period number 3的全部元素 they can react with oxygen to become their oxide 就变成了 oxide 啦 Some of them become metal oxide. Some of them become non-metallic oxide. 有些变成非金属的 oxide, 有些变成金属的 oxide. But remember, except argon 呢？除了这类东西 argon 以外 ，argon is noble gas 不坏的气体，所以 argon 特别了。But you know what？ 你已经知道了，对不对 ？So all the elements in the pillar number 3 can react with the oxygen to become their metal oxide or non-metallic oxide, except argon. Okay. And now 第6 For the left hand side 左手边呢？ Okay, sodium oxide, magnesium oxide. The oxide that is produced here, they will be basic 啦。左手边产生的 oxide, we call them as basic oxide. 这种 oxide 叫 basic oxide. But what is mean by basic oxide? Basic oxide mean they can react with the acid to form salts. 这种 oxide 呢 can react with the acid, 它可以跟 acid 起化学反应 produce salts. So sodium oxide, magnesium oxide, they are basic oxide. 什么叫 basic oxide? React together with the acid to form salts. 就是能跟 acid 起反应变成盐。Okay? 这两个人。But for the right hand side, argon 不要提起来 ，argon 它都没有 oxide 就不要管它了。For the right hand side, silicon oxide, okay, or phosphorus oxide, sulfur oxide, 要不然就 chlorine 形成的 oxide. The oxide called what I don't know. 这些 oxide 叫什么名字呢？我没有管它啦 ，okay， 因为不重要。So for the non-metallic oxide that is produced on the right hand side, 在右手边产生的这些非金属的 oxide they are acidic oxide. 它们都是酸性的 oxide. What is mean by acidic oxide? 什么叫酸性的 oxide 呢？ They can react with the alkaline to form the salts. 它们能跟 alkaline 起反应 produce a salt, 然后产生盐。So 这一种 oxide 叫 acidic oxide. React with alkaline to produce a salt. 可以跟 alkaline 起反应 变成盐。But between the basic oxide and acidic oxide, there's one special oxide. 有一个很特别的 oxide， 我们叫它 aluminium oxide. So aluminium oxide actually is amphoteric oxide. 什么叫 amphoteric oxide？ 什么意思来的呢？ amphoteric 也就是它特别的意思啦，给它星星吧 ，OK， 要不然给它一朵云呢。So 什么叫 amphoteric？OK。Amphoteric oxide, it means special. If special, you like to ask in the exam, 在考试喜欢问 So amphoteric oxides, it means it can react with both acid and alkaline to form the salt. 它可以跟 acid， 它也可以跟 alkaline 起反应产生盐。OK， 只有它罢了。So very special， 只有它能做到这件事情。Aluminium oxide. So please give star or give 烟花，要不然就给它一朵云 ，highlight 它。Amphoteric oxide just one only. Aluminium oxide 就是 amphoteric oxide. OK， 可以跟 acid 起反应，跟 alkaline 起反应 ，produce a salt. So this is 5 and 6， 这就是我们的5和6。But because of very important， 非常重要，我们转去 page number 20第20面，我们要讲一些事情了。OK， 来 sentence number 5第5啊，来。Element on the left form the metal oxide, which is usually basic oxides. Sodium oxide, magnesium oxide on the left, they form the metal oxide, which are usually basic oxide. 它们形成的 oxide 就是金属的 oxide, and they are basic. 它们都是 basic 的。While element on the right， 不过右手边的元素啊 ，they form the non-metallic oxide, which are acidic oxide. 它形成非金属的 oxide。And the oxide are acidic. 这些 oxide 呢是酸性的 ，OK？ So this is something very important. 左手的是碱性的，右手边的呢是酸性的 ，OK？But between the left and right， 在左手跟右手之间 ，there's an oxide called amphoteric oxide. So aluminium is amphoteric oxide. Aluminium 的 oxide 就是特别的 oxide， 叫 amphoteric oxides. OK？It can react with acid, can react with alkaline to form salts. And the reaction, 它的反应呢其实不重要，你不要理多多。Okay? And last, argon does not form the oxide 啦 because this is noble gas, 因为它是 noble gas 不活跃。所以记得 aluminium oxide 它就叫 amphoteric oxide. But not enough 不够，我还是要重复。你讨厌我也不用紧。Okay?So now turn to page number 21. 我们离开这两面一下 ，we go to page number 21. So we will mention， 我们又再强调一下什么叫 amphoteric， 什么叫 basic， 什么叫 acid 啦。So turn to another page， 转去另外一面。The changes of the oxide properties of period number 3. Or this is your notes page number 21. 如果没有错，它就是你的21面了。OK， 来了 OK。For element in the period number 3 for the left-hand side, sodium and magnesium, they form the oxide that is basic. Base 就是 basic 了 ，base 就是碱的 ，basic 就是碱性的。OK，an element on the right-hand side， 右手边的元素呢 ，silicon oxide, phosphorus pentoxide, sulfur dioxide, dicholine heptoxides, they form the oxide that is acidic. 它们形成的 oxide 呢是酸性的。And between the base and the acidic oxides, there's one of them that is very special. Aluminium oxide 很特别的一个 ，and this is amphoteric oxide. 它叫 amphoteric oxide. What is mean by base? 什么叫 base 呢 ？React with acid to form salts. Copy anyway. 抄在你的 notes 的任何地方有空位就抄。什么叫 base? React with acid to form salts. 它跟 acid 起反应产生盐。What is mean by acidic? 什么叫 acidic oxides? React with alkaline to form salts. 它跟 alkaline 起反应产生盐。What is mean by amphoteric? 什么叫 amphoteric? It can react with acid, can react with alkaline to form salts. 它可以跟 acid 跟 alkaline 起反应产生盐。So react with acid and alkaline to form salts. 跟 acid 起反应，跟 alkaline 起反应产生盐。 OK， 要呕了，对不对？一样的东西讲这样久，不要怪我，非常非常重要，我不能重复。不过现在你能重复，我不能重复，你能重复。So from the metal oxide properties of the element in the pillar number 3, it can be generalized that. So 我们的总结论就是这样。Oxide element on the left hand side, okay, of the period is basic in nature 啦。左手边的 oxide they are basic， 左手边的 oxide 都是碱性的。Oxide on the right hand side， 右手边的 oxide 呢 they are acidic， 它们都是酸性的。OK， 右手边的 oxide 它们都是酸性的。OK， so complete 还没有 complete actually. After this, we're going to prepare one experiment again and making another video about base, amphoteric and acidic. 那个是过后了啦，再讲下去你就要骂人了。Okay, so bye bye for these oxide properties. And now we go back to our table again. 我们又再回去我们这个表格了。19面跟第20面 ，OK。So now where are you? We talk until the characteristic number 6. 我们讲到 period 3的第6个特征了，对不对 ？OK, 7, 8 and 9 they still very long. So and now 16 minutes 已经16分钟了，我不能再讲下去，因为 video 太长，等一下会出事的啊！出事。Okay, so we better stop now and continue in another video. 用另外一个 video 来继续比较好。拜拜。